Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So if you guys want an update on what's been going on with me, I'll put it at the end of the video. So this is week 2, and since I didn't do a video for week 1, let me show you what I created. So I made this for my mother-in-law. She's been watching my kids, and I just kind of made a mini album, and I thought this was really cute because she can stick it in her purse, and it's super durable. And when you open it up, it has, and I already put pictures in it that she had put on Facebook, but it says, so, okay, so the back says, and so the adventure begins, and then it says Summer at Mimi's 2008, and that's the same thing, and it goes, it's summertime, and that's pictures of my niece and her name and just some ephemera, and there's pictures of the kids in the car going to Mimi's, and Elijah's the main one in the picture, so it has his name. And then there is this picture of my niece with Zoe. It has both their name and these cute little girls. And then there's this picture of my son Robert, what we call him Nerdy. And then there is Mimi and Elijah. And then there is Zoe and Elijah. And Elijah, and it says Summer Fun. And then there's Zoe, and this is Zoe and Skylin again. And I thought this would be really cute and fun, like a little picture book in her purse. And so for week 2, what I created is I wanted to make some birthday cards. So the first one I made is this one, and I basically stamped out the aunts and like colored them all, and it says, "We heard there was cake." And then on the inside, it says, well, my hands are dirty from the ink, but I will fix this. We'll make it pretty again. And then I made this one, and how stinking cute. It says, "We heard there was cake." It says, "Happy birthday." And so that is pretty much what I did for Girls Just Want to Have Sun Collab week 2. And all of the lovely ladies will be linked in the description below. Go check them out. So I haven't been on YouTube because my 16-year-old son was sick, and we didn't know, like there was no warning signs. I thought he was having anxiety attacks, and I took him to the doctor, and they told me that his kidneys had failed and his lungs and heart were full of fluid. So fast forward almost 2 weeks, and it's just been a long process, but they finally have confirmed that it was strep throat that caused it. And for a while there, his numbers just kept getting worse and worse every day, but we finally seen improvement. So they're going to give him treatment. They did on Friday and then Saturday, and hopefully he will be able to come home Sunday. And it's going to be a long road. Like, it's literally taking him and getting like different things tested every week and just keeping an eye on him, having him jump on the scale every day to make sure he's not. So they said it's going to be a long road, but he'll be fine. His body will heal. And so I wanted to thank everyone for their prayers and their thoughts and their understanding at this time. I am super blessed and thankful. Who knew that your kids from strep throat can shut down their kidneys? But I said it's very rare for it to happen in someone over the age of 10, but under it's not. So I guess God is good, right? But I just want to give you guys an update, and again, thank everyone. But I hope that you guys enjoy these cute little cards, and I hope that I inspire y'all in some way. I'm super touched and blessed by how many people have reached out or were really even concerned, and that is super sweet. So if you're new, welcome, and guys, don't forget to subscribe because the best is yet to come. Thanks. Bye.
What you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.